Most people don't realize how much of a global role Germany plays in the hand tool world. Companies like Knipex and Wera still make the main parts of their hand tools in Germany, delivering quality that is recognized worldwide. In this video, we'll take a closer look at German hand tools that help you work smarter and get the best results every time. All these tools' links are in the description below. Number 30, Bitholding Screwdriver. This is an all-in-one screwdriver that is suitable for tight spaces and everyday tasks. The telescopic bayonet blade conveniently transitions between compact and full-length configurations and can be connected to power tools. The Rapidaptor chuck enables fast one-handed bit changes, while the onboard storage helps keep bits neatly organized. Number 29, Wera Hex Plus. This is the holding function hex set. It's a set of 10 hexes ranging from 2 to 1.5 millimeters with a holding function design. These fit especially well into hexes that are starting to strip, not fully stripped, but definitely on their way, and they seem to work really well. Customers find this hex key set to be of excellent quality, particularly praising its stubby design and solid construction. Number 28, Einhell Power X-Change. Now we have cordless mini circular saw for accurate straight cuts in wood, panels, and more similar materials. It's lightweight and handheld, which makes it easy and comfortable to use, especially where power outlets are limited. Part of the Power Exchange system, it works with compatible batteries, tool-free depth adjustment, easy blade changes, a stable aluminum base, and dust extraction support ensure clean, accurate results. Number 27, Bosch Palm Router. Next we have a small yet powerful tool designed for precise routing tasks. Its variable speed motor delivers smooth control across a wide speed range, while the sturdy aluminum base ensures stability and accuracy. Finger support pockets improve handling during edge work, and the adjustable depth system allows fine-tuning with ease. With support for larger bits and quick bit changes, it is a reliable choice for detailed woodworking projects. We spend the time researching so you don't have to. If that saves you even a little effort, make sure to like and hit that subscribe. Number 26, 3-arm puller set. This universal puller set includes both 2-jaw and 3-jaw options with slim, fast adjusting jaws. It is made for tight, hard to reach areas where precision is important. The hand-operated knurled adjustment allows for quick setup without needing extra tools. Reversible hooks enable both internal and external pulling. Optional jaw extensions increase flexibility, making this set a useful solution for many small extraction tasks. Number 25, KNIPEX DT Crimper. Need a crimper that can handle all those tricky DT, DTM, and DTP contacts? This crimper is your go-to tool. It can tackle a wide range of wire sizes from a tiny 0.35 square millimeters all the way up to a hefty 3 square millimeters. The secret behind its perfect crimps is a clever 4-mandrel system that creates those essential 8 indentations every time, no matter how long or short the contacts are. The tool adjusts easily to fit the job, and thanks to its ratcheting mechanism, you can count on consistent crimps without fail. Number 24, Wera Bit Ratchet Set. Customers praise this tool set for its thoughtful design and well-organized housing, noting that its compact size makes it ideal for home use. Many consider it one of the most practical additions to their toolbox, with strong feedback on its versatility and performance, including use for interior car tasks. However, opinions vary on durability and value, as some users find it sturdy and worth the price, while others feel it breaks easily and is overpriced. Number 23, Felo K Handle Screwdriver. This is the Felo K handle, the ergonomic handle Felo makes for their tools. This one features the tilting 1/4-inch ratchet. As you can see, you can tilt it up to 90 degrees. It stops at 45, and of course you can tilt it back to 90. To insert a bit, you push down on the holder. It's not a quick insert. You need to push down and place the bit in. It's a locking bit holder. You can see the little dot with arrows pointing left and right. Overall, it's a very smooth ratchet. Number 22, Torx Bit Socket Set. crafted from drop-forged, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a black phosphate finish. This premium set is built for strength and durability. It includes a comprehensive selection of Torx star bits and female e-Torx sockets across 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives, plus multiple adapters for added versatility. The alloy steel Torx bits are heat-treated for extra torque and wear resistance, while permanently laser-etched markings ensure clear size identification even in low light conditions. Number 21. Jeweler's Saw. This professional quality jeweler's saw features a black wood handle and is designed for precision in jewelry making, woodworking, crafts, and hobbies. Equipped with secure thumb screws, it firmly holds blades in place, accommodating various lengths from 3 to 14.4 centimeters. Its frame ensures accurate cutting and ease of use, making it an essential tool for both detailed craft projects and professional work. Number 20. Knipex Pipe Cutter. For clean and precise cuts, consider the Knipex Pipe Cutter. It can cut composite pipes with diameters ranging from 12 to 25 millimeters. It features an exchangeable blade for added convenience, along with an opening spring and a locking device that make it easy to use. The ergonomically shaped handles made from glass fiber reinforced plastic. Its thoughtful design helps you make accurate cuts consistently, making your job faster and more efficient. Number 19. Random Orbital Sander. This sander features stepless speed pre-selection for consistent performance even under load, paired with a 5mm sanding stroke for efficient material removal. Equipped with EC technology and a sanding pad brake with a carbide tip, it offers extended durability. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, its ergonomic design and vibration control system ensure smoother operation, reducing user fatigue during prolonged sanding tasks. Number 18. QuickRelease Reversible Ratchet. This ratchet features a 2-component handle and a small design, best for working in confined spaces with a minimal 4.5-degree re-engagement angle. Its 80-tooth mechanism allows smooth, efficient operation under high load, with 8 teeth engaging simultaneously for durability. A quick-release safety lock ensures fast, secure tool changes, and the screwless design makes it FOD compliant for aerospace applications. Number 17. KUKKO Universal 2-Jaw Puller. Here's another hand tool used to pull off tight parts like bearings, gears, and discs from shafts without damaging them. It has 2 arms that grab the part and a central screw that pushes on the shaft to pull the part off evenly. The jaws can be adjusted quickly by hand, so you can fit different sizes and reach into tight spaces easily. This makes it handy for mechanics and workshop jobs where parts are stuck or pressed on. Number 16. Cobra Water Pump Pliers. These precision-grade performance tools are the top choice for tradesmen worldwide, combining comfort with a quality-assured design. Each tool undergoes rigorous real-world testing to ensure durability, reliability, and optimal functionality. Built to withstand tough working conditions, they deliver consistent, high-performance results, making them ideal for professionals who demand long-lasting, dependable tools that perform effectively in every task, from routine jobs to challenging projects. Number 15. BiCut Compound Cutters. Weha's pliers deliver double the cutting power at the press of a button, thanks to the patented dynamic joint, which reduces effort by 40% and extends tool life. They require minimal break-in and offer corrosion resistance for durability. Soft vinyl grips provide comfort and enhanced leverage, while being resistant to oil and solvents, ensuring long-lasting, reliable performance for demanding tasks. Number 14. 6-in-1 Multi-Driver. This set includes a nut driver, slotted screwdrivers, and Phillips screwdrivers, all with soft finish cushion grip handles for comfort and control. The handles are directly molded to the blades for a permanent bond and proportioned for consistent mechanical advantage. Number 13. Variable Speed Braking. This 13-amp corded grinder delivers powerful performance for the toughest grinding and cutting tasks. It features a rapid stop brake that stops most wheels in under 2 seconds for enhanced safety. Variable speed control with 4 settings allows precision across materials, while the electronic clutch provides kickback protection during bind-ups. Number 12. Gador Round Nose Pliers. These round nose pliers have short, serrated jaws that make gripping, bending, and shaping materials easy and precise. It is made from specially hardened and tempered steel. They are drop-forged, oil-hardened, and annealed for long-lasting strength. The slightly flexible handles improve grip and give better feedback while working, helping you control each movement. These pliers are great at handling of small parts. Number 11. ESTWING Ball Peen Hammer. This is a versatile metalworking tool, ideal for shaping sheet metal, striking punches and chisels, and peening rivets. Essential for any auto body shop, it offers optimal control for any task. Forged from a single piece of solid steel with a smooth, rounded ball end, it features a patented shock reduction vinyl grip that enhances comfort and reduces impact vibration by 70%. 100%. Number 10. Insulated industrial pliers. This torquey tool set includes a 10 to 50 inch per pound handle, 5 to 10 inch per pound, and 15 to 80 inch per ounce handles, along with hex, Torx, Phillips, slotted, and posy bits and sockets, all organized in a storage case. Tools with serial numbers come with a calibration certificate, ensuring quality and accuracy up to 5,000 cycles. The laser calibrated serialized scale provides traceability, and the enclosed mechanism makes the set excellent for production controlled environments. Number 9. Cordless Plunge Track Saw. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Plunge Track Saw bare tool measures 14.3 inches in length, 10.8 inches in height, and 8.7 inches in width, weighing 9.13 pounds. It is battery powered with an 18-volt system and features a high-speed steel blade for precise, efficient cutting. Number 8. Long Arm HEX Key Set. This high-quality L key set comes in a color-coded plastic sleeve for quick access and convenient storage. The ergonomic handles remain comfortable even in low temperatures, while wear-resistant clips securely hold the keys. Featuring a Hex Plus profile, the set maximizes contact with screw heads to minimize notching and prevent damage. The long arm ballpoint allows reliable work in tight spaces, and the black laser surface treatment provides excellent corrosion resistance and long-lasting durability with laser-engraved wear-resistant size markings. Number 7. Knipex Automatic Wire Stripper. Precision grade performance tools, trusted by tradesmen worldwide for their quality and reliability. Designed for comfort and durability, these tools are suitable for use in the shop, at home, or in the field. Each tool is rigorously tested to ensure optimal performance, meeting the demands of professional and everyday tasks alike. Number 6. Leather Hole Punch. This professional rotary hole punch features an easy squeeze lever mechanism, reducing effort by 70% with a rotating punch wheel to switch between 6 hardened steel punch sizes. Made from plastic-coated stainless steel, it offers durability and convenience. It works on leather, straps, belts, and more. Measuring 25 centimeters in length, it's portable and easy to store. Number 5. Dual Head Nail Setter. This professional hammerless nail set is crafted from heat-treated steel with a spring-loaded design, delivering 3,500 psi of impact force without a hammer, making work faster and more efficient. Safe and easy to use, it works in tight spaces without damaging surfaces. Excellent for wood, metal, glass, and as a screw hole starter, it's essential for carpenters and finishers. Number 4. INTERTOOL Roofing Hammer. This claw hammer is excellent for roofing, framing, woodwork, drywall, and general purpose tasks at home, on the job site, in the office. Its heat-treated anti-corrosive steel head is durable and designed with a pointed rip claw for pulling nails and puncturing materials. The shock-absorbing fiberglass handle with a non-slip rubberized grip reduces vibration, while the milled face and magnetic nail starter allow safe, precise nailing with minimal effort. Number 3. SOMELINE Spade Connector. This open barrel crimping tool for 24 to 14 AWG wires features a ratchet mechanism, professional crimping jaws, adjustable force, and quick release function, with ergonomic non-slip handles for comfort. It crimps both the conductive area and insulation for reliable electrical and mechanical strength. The set includes 40 high-quality copper connectors, spade, bullet, butt, and quick disconnect, resistant to corrosion and oxidation. Number 2. Gap Fixer Tool Set. This tool set combines strength, protection, and practicality for demanding tasks. The glass suction cup handle features a durable aluminum alloy body with a natural rubber pad, measuring 4 2/3 inches in diameter, 7 millimeters thick, and capable of lifting up to 200 pounds. The premium rubber hammer is shock-proof and wear-resistant, with a double striking surface and a vibration-reducing PP and TPR handle for better control. Number 1. Plate Compactor Kit. This high-performance cordless compactor delivers powerful, fast-travel operation with greater control and no gas-related hassles. It offers up to 35 minutes of runtime, covering about 5,000 square feet per charge, with multi-direction capability and fast or slow-speed control for precise operation. A push-button start provides instant power, while the foldable handlebar and ergonomic grips improve transport and storage. So that is all for our top German hand tools that make your work easier. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments which German tools you're currently using and which ones you are thinking of buying. Thank you for watching.